Modes of representation math program. We're given a distance time graph and we're given a question. On Monday, Sienna measured her distance from her house. According to the graph, at what time was Sienna 45 kilometers from home? We find the 45 kilometers right here and we move across until it reaches our graph and then we read out what point that was at. Here we're at 10, here we're at 12.5. We went up by 0.5, so 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12. That must be a 12. If we're not sure about that, you can drag that closer to the numbers. I can hit it with my magnifying glass. Hit it once. Now we can see that it's actually at 12. 11, 12. The answer would be 12 minutes. 12 in, like that. On Friday, Anne-Sophie measured the amount of rainfall. According to the graph, at what time was there 10 millimeters of rain? At what time were there 10 millimeters? Here's my 10 millimeters. I'm just going across until it hits my graph. We can read it off there. If you want, you can drag it so it's closer to the numbers. Here you can read your 10 millimeters is at 24 hours. After 24 hours, 24H for hours. On Monday, Viola measured the water level in a lake. According to the graph, how much water was in the lake after 6 hours? And we can see the water level is going up, 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 up after 6 hours. Here's 5, and this is 7.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5. The 6 hours is here. You can just click on the magnifying glass on where you think the 6 is, and you'll see the 6 should appear. We can see that that corresponds to a 7 here, and you can drag this thing closer to the numbers. The 6 corresponds to the 7. So there were 7 megaliters of water. Capital ML is megaliters, not milliliters. 7 megaliters. Capital M, capital L. On Monday, the temperature was observed according to the graph. What was the temperature at 12 p.m.? The numbers are up here because our temperatures are negative. That means that our x-axis would be up here somewhere at 12 p.m. This is 10 p.m., 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12. 12 p.m. is going to be right here. I'm going to move the graph up so it's closer to my numbers. Grab that point and drag it closer to the numbers over here. 12 is here. Click with the magnifying glass on that. This is 12.5. 12 should be about here. And there it is. We can see that our 12 corresponds to this is negative 25, negative 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. At 12, we have negative 29 degrees. Negative 29 degrees Celsius. Click on degrees Celsius. You can put a space between the degrees Celsius or not. I like to put a space. And then press enter to see if you're right. All right, and that is it for level 1. Have a good day.